no games.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're more than welcome to stay. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys vintage little flip bump, reverse flip bob, however you want to call it. I don't even know what they call it, but I know I just love this look on me, and I just feel so grown with this hairstyle. So this hair is some Celie hair. As you guys know, I always work with Celie. Hold on. As you guys know, I always work with Celie Hair Company. They do give the best quality hair. Every time I worked with them, I had a great experience with them, so I'm always coming back for more units. Today's unit is a 13 by 4, 16-inch straight bob. You guys will see that I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter than 16 inches, but even still, this is a little bit long. I don't really have much specs about that. It's typical construction for a wig. I bleached the knots, but it came pre-plucked, so that's always a good thing. Yeah, that's all I really have. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys stay tuned, and let's just continue to watch. what you guys think about this look. I went to the club in this look, so I had to just come back and put it back on for you guys. In the meantime, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you turn on post notifications. Also, do not forget to follow me on social media, my Instagram and all that stuff. That's where I post a lot of my looks, and I like to tag where I get certain stuff from. So if you always want to know, make sure you go follow me. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys. I hope you guys come back to my channel for more videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.